Hello, good morning. Happy Monday. I've been putting out some fires this morning, and by putting out fires, I'm just going to say the dog had a big accident, and I may have found it with my foot. It was fun. And then I also have a student who I was talking to this morning, Roger, who was needing a little help getting his chart set up, so we just went through the proper way to do that. And here we are, I don't know, it's almost 11, I think, 10:37. I'm looking mighty fabulous this morning, but that's all right. So let's just kind of go through everything, see what we got going on. What's going on? We can see that the direction is to the downside right now. Looking at the 10,946, it's attempting to change to the upside. Let's look at the daily chart. Here it is. Daily chart still has a lot of pressure down, even in the MACDs. It's not, I mean, you can see the strength of the moves to the downside. These are strong moves. These are pretty decent moves. They're just almost like they're kind of thinking about it, a little iffy. This is going to go down. And I need to be in here. Ooh, okay, good. That puts me right back behind there. Let's pull this down. Maybe we should have been out of this one. The reversal bar, I'm pulling back. Yep. Let's turn these off. The way it's below, though, I really anticipate this to go down. Come here. Let's give it a shot right in here. It's right up at the top. Just looking at the way these have weakly come up, I really expect this to come down. I'm going to put in another one right here, as this gave me a space. It didn't give me a space to, it didn't get me in. Okay. We are moving this down to a break even. No reason for it to come back at this point. I think we may go ahead and drop the risk right here. Yeah. I'm actually going to hit close. Oh, nope, it hit me before I hit close. Just being at this bottom Bollinger Band here, not seeing the strong follow through here, it told me that we're going to at least get a push back. So, let's see what happens when it does. I do think it's still going to go down. Okay. Just took the first quick reversal bar, which may be. Sitting at it. You know how frustrating that is? It's a little. Just a wee bit. I'm going to go ahead and exit this one. The way that this is starting to pull back here, potential reversal bar, it may keep going from here, but I'm going to go ahead and take that out. See much reaction to the upside here at all. This is pulling back. It's starting to slow down here. Still have a lot of strength here, so let's see what happens right here. I'm watching this because this is still showing me some strength up, so I got to be a little careful with this one. Okay, we got a tick locked in either way it goes. But I don't think this, I'm watching these MACDs right here and they're not slowing down like I need them to. So we're going to take the exit here. This may keep going down, but I'm seeing the possibility for this to roll up, and these just weren't rolling to the downside. They may do it right now. But I'm feeling a little off in my mindset, so I pay attention to those kind of things. These are starting to roll, but look how they're blue and still up. We have a lot of strength coming down in the MAC, or in the EMAs, but these are still blue and up a little bit here. So it's almost like at a little bit of an indecision area. It could definitely breach these, pull back a little bit deeper. There it is, guys. That little pullback. I'm not feeling today. I think I'm ready to call it a day. It is noon. I have not eaten. My feet have been violated. I feel like I need a shower, starting from my toes up. And my daughter has a good friend coming over, and I haven't even gotten out of my PJs yet. I'm gonna call it a day. I've been sitting here for about an hour. Actually, before I do that, let's just go through everything real quick. So that's going to complete me today. That's going to be all I can do. Some days are just like that, you know? Some days your mind are in it, some days it's not. And even the days that my mind is in it doesn't mean that I'm going to walk away, you know, some big proud winner. Today is definitely being just a little bit of a split between a bunch of other things and talking to the kids, and it's okay. I just have to remember how to navigate through all those things and still keep my head in the game. It's not easy. If it was, then everybody on the planet would do it. It does take a lot of getting to know yourself and learn about who you are. Sometimes it may mean changing some of who you are. I mean, I'm definitely a lot more tolerant and patient now than I was when I first started trading. Did that have something to do with having kids? I think that made me less tolerant and patient in the beginning. That was so tough. But, you know, as time goes by, it's letting go of that internal struggle where you tell yourself that you're not right, or that you don't deserve these things. And I can promise you, you most definitely do deserve to have the best things in life, because we all do. We just have to work for it, and we have to work for the mindset that we should allow ourselves to have it. So I'm gonna take a few steps off that soapbox and I'm going to wish y'all a lovely Monday. So hope everybody has a fabulous day, and look forward to catching you on the profitable side.